150 times stronger than garlic and lemon. Destruction of all bacteria and fungi. Super healthy drink. Unlocking the power of nature, DIY antibacterial and immune-boosting elixir. In the pursuit of natural solutions that enhance our well-being and strengthen our immune systems, few components offer as much potential as garlic, lemon, cloves, and rose hips. Envision tapping into the collective power of these organic marvels to craft a concoction that not only eradicates bacteria and fungi but also rejuvenates and invigorates. It's akin to uncovering nature's hidden potion, brimming with revitalizing properties. Today, we explore a recipe that combines the strong antibacterial qualities of cloves with the cleansing abilities of lemons, the immune-boosting advantages of rose hips, and the nutritional richness of bananas. This blend isn't your average remedy, it's a scientifically supported powerhouse, surpassing the potency of the already impressive garlic and lemon combination by 150 times. Say goodbye to annoying coughs and unwanted pathogens as we embark on a journey towards health and vitality. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 2 tablespoons of rose hips, 1.5 liters of water, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate soda. Instructions. Prepare the base. Begin by pouring 1.5 liters of water into a large pot. Add 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate soda, to the water. Gently stir the mixture as you bring it to a simmer over low heat. Infuse with goodness. While the water heats up, slice the lemon and bananas into small pieces. Drop the lemon and banana slices into the simmering water. Allow the mixture to infuse for 15 minutes, letting the flavors meld and the nutrients seep into the water. Harness the power of cloves and rose hips. After 15 minutes, introduce 1 tablespoon of cloves and 2 tablespoons of rose hips into the pot. Cloves, renowned for their potent antibacterial properties, will wage war against germs and fungi, while rose hips bring forth their arsenal of antiviral elements. Let the concoction simmer for an additional 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic. Sweeten and store. Once the mixture has simmered to perfection, remove it from the heat and let it cool. Strain the liquid to remove any solid remnants, ensuring a smooth and refreshing drink. Stir in 1 tablespoon of honey, infusing the elixir with a touch of natural sweetness and added health benefits. Transfer the elixir into a clean container and refrigerate. This potent brew can be stored for 3 to 4 days, ready to be enjoyed whenever you need a boost of wellness. Enjoy and reap the benefits. Sip on 200 milliliters of this rejuvenating elixir twice a day, preferably in the morning and evening after meals. Let the amalgamation of garlic, lemon, cloves, and rose hips work its wonders, cleansing your body of toxins and fortifying your immune system from within. Embrace the journey to health and happiness as you incorporate this powerful elixir into your daily routine. Bonus recipe: immune-boosting garlic elixir. Take 2 lemons and rinse them thoroughly. Cut the lemons into small pieces. Add 2 chopped garlic cloves to a jar. Add the lemon pieces to the jar. Pour 150 to 200 grams of honey into the jar and mix well. Refrigerate the mixture for 7 days. After 7 days, consume 1 spoonful of the mixture diluted in warm water or milk. This elixir works wonders at a molecular level, rejuvenating damaged cells and fortifying your body's defenses. Incorporate it into your daily routine and embrace the gift of health and happiness. In conclusion, with just a few simple ingredients and a dash of culinary alchemy, you can unlock the boundless potential of nature's bounty. Cheers to good health, vitality, and the transformative power of natural remedies. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.